This video is on mounting Ridetech reservoirs for the TQ shocks in a Chevy OBS. This happens to be a 93. So this is how I mounted them. Got to clear the brake lines and all the stuff attached to the frame rail. So I use the same hole right here that the mount for the brake line goes in. It's a half inch or 13 millimeter nut head hole, so it'd be 5/16. And so anyways, that's what I did there, and I made the mount and I put it up high enough so that it clears all the brake lines and all that stuff. And on the other side, it's even worse. Have to clear the brake lines and the water hose, all the electrical going to the starter and grounds and all that. You have to clear all that, so you have to get it over the top of that. And then see, I use that hole. You can see that hole right there where the mount for the brake lines go, and I'm also using it for ground. You really can't see it, I guess, but anyways, here's what I did. Here's the mount. So that's the mount, just a 2-inch piece of aluminum plate, bar stock I guess you call it, and a round piece of the hole drilled in it, and raise it up about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, somewhere in there to clear everything, and get over the top of the wires and the hoses and all that stuff. And that's for the TQ Ridetech reservoirs on the 3-way adjustable shocks. Thanks for watching.